Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can shoot with your GoPro in cinematic. So how you can shoot cinematic video in your GoPro. So let's get straight into it. Now power on your GoPro and then be sure that you are in the video mode. After that, here at the bottom middle you see here the standard button. So click on it, and then if you have ordinary lens on it, you will see bunch of settings that you can take. One of them is a cinematic, so you can choose that. If we go here to tap on pencil, you will see some options. So for the cinematic we have FPS and resolution is 5.3K and 30 FPS. Then lens is on super view, hyper smooth is on, shadow capture off, some is off. Then what's important here also, 10-bit mode, it's on. Then we have bitrate is high, also shutter is on auto mode. White balance 5000K, ISO, and so on. Obviously you can edit these settings a little bit to your preferences, but this is mainly uh, for what it's for cinematic video. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.